Drinks with easy snacks that don't need cooking. Number one, popcorn. Super easy. All you need to do is toss a packet in a microwave and it's ready in 2 minutes. What's great is that a popcorn is not overpowering, so it really pairs brilliantly with all kinds of drinks. Number two, olives. Olives are salty and briny, and when paired with wine or whiskey, they really draw the flavors and make the drink taste smoother and richer. Try it. Number three, bread. If it's well made, bread can be delicious on its own, but you can try sourdough bread, garlic bread, tomato encrusted bread. All of these are great, and what's great is that it actually soaks up the excess alcohol and keeps you sober for longer. Number four, cheese. Can't go wrong. If you're trying white wine, you can try some soft, creamy cheeses, but with red wines, crumbly, hard, salty cheeses work brilliantly. Nuts. Nuts are good fats, healthy option, slow down absorption, and will definitely prevent a hangover. And number six, cold cuts. Charcuterie has long been a staple food for French cuisine. Just throw in some dried prosciutto, some spicy sausages, chorizo, pepperoni. All of these work as really flavorful combinations for both wine and whiskey. Share this with your friends, and together you can plan your next drinking party.